All right, for today's reference notes, I'm going to be teaching you the best way to estimate a irrational number. So the first thing you need to do in step one, if we're trying to estimate the square root of 55, which is irrational because there's no integer or whole number that I can think of to multiply by itself to be 55, I got to identify two rational square roots or perfect square roots. So the one that's a little bit bigger is probably 64. And then over here, you would probably want to choose something. 36 would be too small. Maybe you could choose 49. So now, step two, evaluate the perfect square roots. And that will tell you the two consecutive integers, one after another, numbers that it's between. So now if I evaluate this, this is 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. And then this is going to be 8. All right. So now, just to kind of give me a guideline, step 3 is circle the integer that the irrational number is closer to. So if I look here, square root of 49 to square root of 55, that's about 6 square roots away. And then 55 to 64, that's about 9 square roots away. So I definitely want to choose the 7. That's a little bit closer. So the step 4 is kind of where you have to use your multiplying. It says guess and check numbers to the tens place by multiplying by itself until you get close to the square root of 55. So I'm going to pick something that is close to 7. Let's see. Maybe I'll try. Let's see. Anyone in the audience think of a number that is a decimal? What do you think, you young man? How about you, sir?
7.5.
I'm going to go a little bit lower. That's a great, because I know it's closer to 7. Does anyone else have another one? Yep.
7.3.
I'm going to go one higher, and I'm going to put 7.4.
So I was right.
So let's find out. If I go here, copy this down at home. So 7.4 times 7.4. If I multiply this out, I get 16. 28 plus 1 is 29. Wait, this is 6. And x is 0. This is going to be 28. 49 plus 2 is 51. So when I add that all up, I get 6, a 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. Move the decimal over 2 spots. I wanted to get 55, and I got this. Man, that's so I bet I would have to say that I couldn't get much closer than that. So my best approximation is 7.4, and that makes me very happy.